Let's warm up with some patterns. We were doing patterns using me, so, and la, and of course we had their hand signs as well. I'll sing one and do my hand signs. You sing it back. Let's try. So, me, so, me. Or how about so, me, so. Or me, so, so. Let's add la in. So, la. Or so, la, so, mi. Let's try going from high to low. La, so, mi. Or low to high. Mi, so, la. Or skipping around. So, mi, la, so. Here's our staff again. Remember we had some lines and the spaces in between. The equal sign was telling us where do was at the bottom of our ladder, but we're not using do, so we need to find do, re, mi was on this space, and fa, so is on this space. Mi and so have a skip in between them, so space to space, skipping the line. And then if this is so, la would just be one step up on the line because they're neighbors. Me, so, and la. So here's a pattern. What pattern is this? Do you remember how to read that? Let's see if you can just say it. Don't have to sing it yet. What pattern do we have on the board here? Go ahead. Did you get so, me? Now let's sing it. My turn, then your turn. So, me. Okay, now here's the new thing today. What strategy is this pattern like? We learned about our strategies here. We had 7 different choices, mostly low, mostly high, back and forth, straight line, repeated notes, half and half, or opposite. Let's look at this pattern. Which one does that seem to be following? What strategy or plan? Well, if I look at it, I see this zigzaggy shape from high, low. So that makes me think it's back and forth. Make sense? Back and forth. High, low. All right, let's check out some others and see if we can figure out what strategy it is. Let's sing this one. Take a look at it. Think you know what it is? Ready, go. The answer was so, me. Okay, what strategy have we got for this one? It looks like there's 2 so's, then 2 me's. I think that one would be half and half. The first half is high, the second half is low. If you divide it in half, it's half and half. All right, let's keep looking. Here's a new pattern. This one shouldn't be too hard to sing. Let's see how you do. Take a look at it. Ready, go. Did you get so, me, so? Nice. Okay, what strategy is this one? This one looks uneven. I see 2 so's, 1 me, and then a third so. So this seems like it's mostly something or something else. What about mostly high? Do you see that? We have 3 high ones and 1 low one. So, me, so. Okay, here's a really easy one. Let's sing this one. I bet you don't even have to think much about it. Ready, go. Yeah, so. All of those are the same, so what strategy is that? Now be careful, don't say straight line, because the straight line means it's going up or down straight line. This looks more like it's all the same, or repeated notes. Did you see that? Let's do a few more. Take a look at this pattern very carefully, and let's see if we can figure out how to sing this one. Here's a hint. What does this start on? Me, that's right, it's low. All right, that means we can't start with our high sound. We have to start with our low sound. Ready, go. Did you get me, so, me? You sing it. Okay, what strategy is this one most like? Well, I see too high and too low, so it's not mostly low or mostly high. Is it back and forth? Kind of, but it doesn't really make a zigzag. It goes up and then down, so it's not a straight line either. It's not repeated notes. It's half and half? Well, the first half is not both the same, so I don't think so. That only leaves opposite. The first half goes up. The second half is opposite. It goes down. So this would be an opposite pattern. What about this one? Starts on me again. Let's see if you can sing this one. Ready, go. Did you get me, so, me, me? You sing it. Okay, what strategy does this one have? Now I see 3 me's and 1 so. So I think that would be mostly low, right? Yeah, this one's mostly low. Okay, what happens if we add this? What have we got here? That's right, this is so, la, so. Because this one's on a line, so that's la, above so. Okay, this only has 3, but what strategy is this most like? We're kind of missing the 4th part of it, so it's hard to tell, but kind of looks back and forth to me. Or I guess you could probably call it mostly high, because it's all above the middle, so it's mostly high. Not every pattern has a clear strategy to it, and that's okay. They're just guidelines. Let's try a bigger pattern that's got la in it. Alright, let's see if you can sing this one. Starts on so again, moves up to la. Ready, go. So, la, la, so. Okay, what strategy is this? Well, I kind of see that up and then back down shape again, so I think this would be another opposite one, right? Just as starting on so instead of on me. Okay, we've got a little bit of everything now. Let's check out this one. Can you figure out what this pattern says? Going from high to low, stepping down, so it must be la, so, mi. Sing it. Okay, what strategy is this one like? If you look at it carefully, it's going straight down our ladder without any repeats or backups, so I think this would be a straight line pattern. What do you think? Going in a straight line down the scale. Okay, what about this one? Yeah, some people notice immediately it's a straight line going up. But what's the pattern? What's it start on? And steps up. Let's see if you can sing it. Ready, go. Did you get mi, so, la? You sing it. Okay, and what strategy? We said straight line already, going up this time. Oh man, now we've got a little of everything, but some things are repeated. Let's see if you can figure out what this strategy is. Do you think you could sing it? Take a look at what we've got. Ready, go. Did you get so, la, so, mi? Okay, what strategy is this one most like? I say most because there might be a couple different strategies this one is following. I look at it and I kind of see a little bit of back and forth, so maybe. Or maybe it's mostly high because there's so, la, and so, which is all above the middle, and mi, which is the only one below the middle. So 3 high, 1 low. Doesn't look like half and half are repeated notes though. So I would say it's either mostly high or back and forth. Okay, another pattern that's kind of jumping around using all of them. Let's see if you can figure out this one. What's it start on? So, that's right. Take a look at the rest. Ending on this one. All right, let's see if you can sing it. Good luck. This one's tricky. Ready, go. Did you get so, mi, so, la? You sing it. Ready, go. Okay, what strategy is this one most like? Well, Again, I suppose we could call it mostly high because there's 3 that are above the middle line and 1 that's below. I again also see something of a back and forth motion, huh? It just maybe needs more time to come down that we didn't give it. Okay, I think we have one last pattern, and this one's tricky. Let's see if you can figure it out, and then we'll figure out the strategy. All right, ready? Take a look at all of them. Do you know what you're going to sing? Ready, go. It is so, mi, la, so. You sing it. Okay, what strategy is this one most like? I think this one I would definitely call back and forth because it does have that zigzaggy shape for sure. It just skips from mi to la here, so this half is a little bit higher than this half back and forth. So now you know what our strategies look like when we put them into patterns. Thanks for joining me on our lesson today.